God bless you all. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. I hope all of you are doing outstanding. So a couple days I made a post on my YouTube channel. So please make sure you have notifications on. And I asked if you guys want to see a couple videos that I didn't have the chance to post from last year. And this is what you guys said. So here I have a video that I actually recorded last year, probably about September, and I never had the chance to post it. So please enjoy and please, keep praying for us so we can keep doing what we like to do and we can get the car back on the road. Because right now the car is not running. But yeah, that's another story for another day. I love you guys. You guys are the best. See you guys soon. Let's go. What is up, guys? God bless you all and welcome back to a new video. Today we're gonna continue working with my turbo Nissan Sentra. So yeah, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing outstanding. I'm excited to be back with a new B13 video. As you guys saw on the last video, we actually got some major work done on the B13, but it's still a lot to be done. It's not finished yet. So today I'm gonna go ahead, I'm in the shop right now, I'm gonna basically continue working with the B13 so it could be road worth it. So before I continue talking, let me show you what we're gonna do today, okay? And boom, yeah, here we have the Sentra. I know it does look complete, but it's still a lot of things to get done. So the first thing I want to do, I want to go ahead and actually install the light bulbs, because right now the new headlamps didn't come with anything. So I want to make sure I got that just in case I have to drive at nighttime. I want to go ahead and also install the trim piece that goes here on both sides. I remember that I told you guys that the car is not 100% straight yet, and here is you guys can see the gap here, how much is still separate from the chassis, you know, and basically on this side it's still not done. But again, we're working with what we have. I'm gonna go ahead and install those trim pieces. I want to make sure the oil is good. I want to go ahead and actually get the car clean. I want to make sure that the interior of the car looks decent, because obviously I'm going to be daily driving the car, and I guess that should be it for now. So yeah, let's get to work. Let's go. All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to install this part right here, and then I'm going to install the light bulb in the headlight, and we're going to make this an easy way. All right, 3 2 1 and boom. Yeah, just like that. This is all done. You guys can see everything there the way it should be. Obviously still a gap because the whole thing is not aligned the way it should, but that will do for now. Other side is done, light bulbs are in. You can see that right there. Everything's looking beautifully. I still have to basically do the wiring for these lights over here, but that's for another day. And now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to actually I'm gonna swap the speed sensor real quick. This is basically one bulb. You guys see this before. I'm gonna get this on, and then after that it will be basically cleaning up the car a little bit inside, make sure everything is good, and we're gonna go for a drive. And that should be for this video. I'm excited, boys and ladies. I'm excited. Woo! Right, so the speed sensor is back on, lights are done, and now we're gonna go for a drive. But yeah, I mean, this is how the car is gonna look for a while until it gets painted, which is a lot better than before, because now I'm able to drive the car. So yeah, let's go for a drive. With a throttle closed, so right now it's all doesn't sound too loud. It's just good noises. And yes, the speed sensor is working, which is amazing. It's a win on my book. When we get to the light, I'm gonna go ahead and open the throttle, and hopefully the mic is picking up the good sound. Alright, throttle is open. Yeah, right now I cannot go too crazy because the fuel that I have is like 7 months old, so I don't want the mixture to get crazy, but you guys can see that right there. Speed sensor working. Awesome. So yeah guys, there you guys have it. It's official. The B13 is back on the street and I'm super excited. As you guys saw, the speed sensor is working fantastic and I couldn't be more happy than that. So that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. You guys have a nice day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with a friend. Please consider becoming a member and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and God bless you all.